This past summer, I was part of a committee of community college professors. The goal of this committee, to mandate the use of technology in teaching one of our most popular math courses, college-level statistics. The members of this committee were passionate, inspired, and committed teachers, and I felt blessed to be among them. We shared our motivations and teaching experiences, but we did not review any data or evidence from any of our own studies, nor did we conduct a literature review to see if any research could be generalized to fit our community college population. Still, all of us on the committee did use, continue to use, and believe strongly in the use of technology in college-level statistics courses. And my original reason for joining this committee was to motivate other community college professors to use technology in teaching college-level statistics. For me personally, it would be hard to imagine teaching college-level statistics without reference to Microsoft Excel, SPSS, and SAS, which is now free for students and educators. As this committee continued during the hot New York summer, I began to feel increasing resistance to mandating my teaching beliefs upon my colleagues and perhaps others who might imitate our actions. I began to think about my pure mathematics colleagues. I thought about how they might deliver the introductory college statistics course, connecting probability theory to statistical inference, and how they might do so with just pencil, paper, and human consciousness, guiding the actions of a simple and inexpensive calculator. And I reflected on how fundamentally important educational diversity is to all generations in creating a broad spectrum of mindsets, beliefs, strengths, abilities, and perspectives. The resulting cognitive diversity will certainly be fundamental in giving our species the ability to approach the problems that this generation will surely encounter in their professional and personal lives. Is it possible that instructors with pure mathematics backgrounds have the capacity to give engaging, inspiring, and fantastic college-level statistics courses with minimal use of technology? I believe the answer to that question, at least upon reflection, is a resounding yes. Differently than I do, but certainly, absolutely certainly, valid. Not better, not worse, just different. While I'm quite liberal in the use of technology in my college-level statistics courses, I now believe that a mandate requiring this violates academic freedom and liberty, and as such, I stand against such a mandate. And with that, our episode comes to an end. This is Dr. J. Lee Noose for College Statistics.